Nirbhaya case. 2 weeks back, we saw a similar situation in Delhi. Do you think, as a woman, you feel safe? Do you think the government should be doing a lot more?
Ma'am, Hindi mein please.
I think it's a combination of what government needs to do and what the society needs to do, what individuals, the citizens need to do. I try and always look at things at finding a solution at the bud. I think if parents can find a way in rural India, in urban India, and parents need to be educated to communicate this, can find a way to imbibe a sense of very strong values when it comes to how we treat women, how we feel women, how we express ourselves physically, most importantly. I feel that can actually serve a greater and a more deeper purpose and affect the future generations. In the moment, as of today, I feel that there has to be a lot of communication. There has to be a lot of work that happens 360 degrees. Women's groups need to start engaging with civic bodies, with our forces, with our governance, with universities, colleges, schools, and find a way to make everyone more aware and find tangible solutions. I'm not sure whether speed tracking, the law, will itself address this issue. It goes so much beyond just giving somebody a punishment, even if it's a very harsh one. We've had some very harsh verdicts in rape cases. I'm not sure whether it has really acted as a deterrent to more men. In fact, the recent case talks about how the rapist quoted another criminal when he was harassing his victim. So I think there has to be a lot more that needs to happen, and I'm not sure whether as a woman I'm equipped to answer this question fully. Am I angry? Yes. Am I upset? Yes. Do I feel unsafe? Yes. But I think there's so much more that needs to happen on this subject.
Well, talking about films, critically acclaimed Bobby Jasus was your last film. What can we look forward to from your production house now?
Well, we're excited. We've been nominated. Bobby Jasus has been nominated tonight as well. I'm so proud of Vidya's performance, and I'm so happy she's been nominated. I hope that we continue to make good, entertaining cinema that people respect and appreciate at the same time. And we can continue to give women credible parts in the films that we make.
Last question, Riya, last question. India is expecting, अभी Miss World चल रहा है लंदन में. India is expecting the crown again because she's one of the top 5 favorites. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी? Koel Rana is representing India.
I'll be very happy if India wins the Miss World title. It's been a long time, and it'll be wonderful to have a new winner from the Miss World pageant. I wish Koel all the very best. अपने ड्रेस के बारे में मैं क्या बताऊँ? I've been styled by Thea Tikchandani. I'm wearing Farah Khan jewelry and I'm wearing Q. Thank you. Here's wishing all of you a very happy new year, and before that a very Merry Christmas.